Hi everyone, in this video we'll explain how to set up a project and start working with RankActive. After registering with RankActive, the first thing you'll see is the project setup screen. Here you're supposed to enter the domain name of a website that you want to track and the name of your first project. Click Next to get to the next step. At the next stage, you can specify what pages and subdomains to track, select search engines and add keywords. This is the most important stage of the project setup, so we recommend paying particular attention to it. First things first, let's select pages that we want to track. By default, RankActive is set to track your domain with all its subdomains. You can also select domain without subdomains, rankactive.com for example. Also, we have URL starts with subdomains. This comes handy if you want to track a particular part of your website, corporate blog for example, and include all its subdomains. URL starts with without subdomains. If you go with this option, all subdomains will be excluded, which may be useful if you are dealing with a multi-language website but want to track its main version only. RankActive website is available in 2 languages, so we'll exclude subdomains for tracking only its English version. You can also track an exact URL, a particular product page for example. Yet another option is to specify the URL wildcard, which allows creating a content rule based on a URL or a group of URLs. Here you should use substrings with special characters. For example, by appending an asterisk to this URL, we'll be tracking all URLs that start with it, so we'll be tracking all our product pages. Well, of course, you can also exclude subdomains from the wildcard by choosing a corresponding option from the drop-down menu. Now when we decided what to track, it's time to choose where to track it. RankActive allows selecting several search engines in different countries, languages, and even specific locations. Overall, there are 7 search engines to choose from: Bing, Google, Google Map Pack, Google Maps, Google Mobile, Yahoo, and Yandex. Let's select Google, United States, and English. Now you can add your search engine by pressing this button, or go on and add a specific location. Note that adding location is mandatory for Google Maps and Google Map Pack search engines. For example, let's go with LA in California. Then click Add to add your search engine to the list. Ultimate RankActive subscription allows you to add up to 10 search engines for each project. To complete this step, you should add keywords to a project. You can either enter your keywords in the text box or import them from the external file. RankActive allows you to import files in either TXT or CSV formats. However, if you don't know what keywords your website is ranking for, click the Generate Keywords button and they will be generated automatically based on your website's content. And click Next when you're done. The last step requires connecting Google Analytics to your account. This is pretty simple, just click the Connect Google Analytics button and select your Google Analytics account. This needs to be done only once. then click Finish to complete the project setup. Now you're being redirected to the project's dashboard, where you can see all the information about your website's progress. Note that it can take some time to collect all the information about your website. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions left, check our help center or drop a line to our customer support team. They will be happy to help you.